Welcome, I'm SD Kelly, and here I am making stockings with no sewing whatsoever. I cut the end of a scarf from Dollar Tree, and I like this felt material because it doesn't fray and I don't have to worry about using fabric glue. I just have to be concerned with cutting a straight line. So I have this stocking from Dollar Tree that I turned inside out. And I highly recommend using a rolling blade and a self-healing cutting mat. It's really a great time saver and cuts really clean edges. That is, if I press hard enough. I'm still a bit hesitant because I'm new at using it. So I've already attached the piece to the front. And before I glued it on, I made sure that it was long enough, of course. But you should make sure it's long enough before you actually cut it. I just eyeballed it, and things worked out great. So if you decide to keep that loop that's supposed to hold the stocking up, you want to make sure that it's on the inside of the cuff while the stocking is inside out. Don't worry, Mickey won't be harmed in this project. Most projects I do, I try to keep some integrity of the original product. Really care for this fringe on here, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it out because I have other plans for the stocking. With the other end of the scarf, I will be making a second stocking like this one. It'll be a stocking for me and for my cat Jasper. Now, no harm will come to Mickey, so all you Disney fans out there, don't be sad. Mickey is just going to be well hidden. I was really kind of surprised to see all the different Disney items, actual name brand Disney items at Dollar Tree. I guess it's been that way for a while, but they're getting really good with stepping up their game and getting nice products in. I'm just looking for any opened ends that I might have missed. Now, I use this paper cardboard that came inside the stocking to kind of use as a barrier in between pieces of fabric so they don't adhere together. And I'm just gluing on some lace here. Okay, all is good.
I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side.
So I'm not going to trust this loop that comes with the stocking to hold up the stocking and its contents that I plan to put in there. So I'm going to use this curtain rod hoop that has this great clip on it.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open.
Now I have these wooden letters that I got from Dollar Tree. I was lucky to find the initials that I needed because they are a bit picked over. And I painted them white, and I drew on them with a gold marker pen. And I painted them with white chalk paint. So if you do that, you can go back and cover up any mistakes you make with the gold marker. I didn't make that many, thank goodness. And I glued clothespins on the back. So all I have to do is just clip them on there.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I hope that you liked this video and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.